What's up beautiful people out there, this is again Ashish from ashvircreations and welcome back guys. So today in this video I'm gonna give you cinematic blue mobile Lightroom DNG preset, desktop Lightroom as well as the camera preset XMP. All the files are down here in the description so you can just download it for free. So this is a Lightroom preset and I have already installed in my Lightroom application, and all you're gonna do is before getting to the video kindly follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So here is the preset, that is cinematic blue AVC 2020. Now when you will apply the preset and you can see the magic guys, the photo is totally turned into a very perfect kind of cinematic bluish vibe which is very pretty perfect and looking so cool. Let's just apply it and see the magic guys. The green leaves are totally turned into perfect kind of bluish structure which is kind of very cinematic, and it is kind of giving a fantasy kind of vibe to the photograph which is really so amazing. So you can see the magic and the difference guys. This is literally so dope preset. I would definitely recommend you to use this preset in your editing game, and it will literally stand out its game and just make your photos to make it look more and more creative. So I hope you all have enjoyed this preset. If you enjoyed, then kindly smash the like button so that it will motivate me to make more videos and presets like this for you guys for free. And if you still don't subscribe yet, then kindly do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website www.ashvircreations.com and filterpreset.com to download all the premium collection of presets just for free. Also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.